Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix ARC Raiders or ARC Raiders game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS, black screen or other issues on PS5. So let's jump to the solution. So the first method is to restart your PlayStation. This is one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs and or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. Now choose power button and then select restart PS5. After restarting, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, first switch off your PS5, then hold down the power button unless two beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, first go to settings and click on network. And click on settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options and under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to check for game update. For that, you have to highlight the game first, then press options button. Now choose check for update. Now here, if any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to proceed ahead. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, first open settings on your PS5, then click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select ARC Raiders, then click on restore and finally confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to delete games save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose saved data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and finally select ARC Raiders and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to check storage space on console. For that, first go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data and then check if the issue is fixed. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. For that, make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to change language or console. For that, open PS5 settings, then go to system. Now choose language options in the left sidebar, then choose current language. Then change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next solution is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. If not, next method is to install software updates on PS5. For that, first open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, then select system software update and settings. After that, select update system software if any update is available and finally choose update using internet option. Next solution is to reinstall ARC Raiders. For that, first highlight ARC Raiders on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally restart your PS5 and install ARC Raiders again to check for the error. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. Just explain whatever the issue you are coming across and let the support team knows what the issue is, and hopefully they will try to resolve the issue from their end and you can play the game further. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.